Uh, in an increasingly digital world, ensuring your child's online safety is more important than ever. Setting up a phone lock is a crucial step in managing screen time and protecting them from inappropriate content. If you're looking for effective and straightforward methods to establish parental controls and set limits on your kids' smartphone usage, you've come to the right place. Dive into this guide to learn how to set up phone locks that are not only secure but also promote healthier digital habits for your children. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and open up your family link. All right, and after you log in with your account, you're gonna be able to click the three bars at the top left and then basically click add child. Right, if the child have already a Google account, click yes, and then go to their device and then open the settings, and then for Android users, go to Google and then parental controls. For Chrome OS devices, go to people and then parental controls. Follow the steps to set up parental controls. Tap down below when you're finished, and then basically you're gonna be able to control right here your child's phone from here. Let me go to the other, not that, yeah, that account. And as you can see right here, eventually you're gonna be able to see that this is their device, and you're gonna be able to control what they see, what they cannot see. You're gonna be able right here to restrict, lots of example, YouTube, and basically you're gonna be able to control what they can see from here. All right, so let me know in the comments of this video. Hope you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.